Hey everybody, welcome back. And today we're going to do another fidget spinner video. And I have 8 Genesis fidget spinners sitting in front of me today. And what we're going to do is we're going to open all these things up. We're going to put them on a table. We're going to give them a quick spin with our hand and see which one of these is the fastest fidget spinner out of the group. I picked these up at FYE. These range from about $15 to $25. And if you want one of these fidget spinners as a gift, please be sure to put some comments in the comment section down below of which one of these you might want. And if you are the lucky winner at 100 subscribers, we'll be sure to send you one. Anyways, enjoy the video and let's see who wins the race. What a tight race, man. It's down to 4. Look at this guy, the balance on this. It's still just finishing off in a nice slow rotation. Purple's still going. Now the weight with this guy could bring it to a stop faster, maybe. But I don't know. I still think the momentum would continue. Purple's about done. Gold shield's out of there. Batmobile's done in just a second. Oh, barely. I called it right. And still going. Look at the design on that, man. That is wicked cool. You gotta just catch it in different pieces of light to see all these killer designs that are coming off these rainbow ones. They're throwing off some intensive looking killer design. And the winner by a landslide is the psychedelic rainbow throwing star.